Good morning. I am going to show you how to change the rear blinker in a 2012 Chevy Traverse. I'm changing the blinker right here. This one, right here. Okay, but I'm going to change both of them because it's better to change both of them at the same time. And what I want you to see is that when your blinkers are out, that your car will tell you that your blinker is out. Turn my steering wheel. Okay. So my blinker is going to tell me that it's out. Watch the blinker on the dash. See that? Now the one on this side works. But if you look at this one, that's telling me it's out. That's how I found out my blinker was out while I was driving. So I have a 9 and 30 seconds bit right here. You have to pop these little things out, which I used with a flat screwdriver. I just popped them out because there's a little tab when it's inside there. You'll see if you lock this up right there's a little tab. Just take your screwdriver and pop that off, and that will expose the screws right inside there, right in there. The screws are in there. All right, so I took those screws out already, which are right there. So I'm going to take this one out. Screws are out. So once you do that, this should pop off. Just like that. See? And then you have your light right here. You're just going to turn this to unlock it. And the bulb comes right out. And you can see, and these just pull right out, hopefully. Ooh, it burned. You see that bulb is black, burned out. There is some lubrication stuff that you can put on these. I honestly forgot about that. But I need my bulb to work now, so I'm not going back to the store. And you just take it and just, see the shape of it? Just pop it right back in there. Snaps in. Just like that. When I touch it with my fingers like that, I like to wipe it off. Just make sure there's no oils on it. Because it might, you never know. It might burn it up faster. And then you just take the bulb, put it back in there, make the pieces line up, and then flip like that. And then just bring this back up. Put it back in. Make sure everything lines back up because you want to make sure your seals are all done, all lined back up. Just get my screws, and I turn the direction of my screwdriver righty-tighty. Put it in there. You don't want to make it too tight because you could break this plastic. But you do want it to be good enough. Sorry, my nails look terrible. I'm broken playing softball. Don't make it too tight. There you go. All right, so I took the screws out of this one. I'm just gonna pop it up, take it out, like this. All right, twist, take it out. This one was working, but it looked black too. You pop that light bulb out, just pop it out. All right, so I'm gonna get the bulb, new bulb. Got the piece right here. Again, there's some lubricant that you can put on these to make it where they're easy to come in and out, but I don't have it. And you just take the bulb and you just slide it right in. Snap. And like I said, I wipe these off. Just like to keep my oils off of it. And then you take it, put it back in. I kind of turn it until it comes, because you see it's got tabs on it. They fit in here a specific way. So you put it in, and then once you get it in the hole all the way, then you turn, and that's what locks it in, okay? And then when you go to put it back, again, make sure it lines up. Get past my stuff. Go. So you gotta put the screws back in. Again, this is a 9/32 bit. Remember, don't make it too tight. This is plastic. If you make it too tight, you could crack it. You don't want to crack it. This one. Like as soon as this is like, you know, because I'm not going very fast, I know it's done. So now let's check, make sure that it's fixed. Check the blinker. Ready? There it is. It's working. That one's working. I do recommend changing both bulbs at the same time. Let's go look at it, make sure. Yep, it's a working. And that's how you change the blinker or turn signal in the rear on a 2012 Chevy Traverse. Thanks.